About to flex on these hoes. Got show and tell today, baby. I'm about to flex on these hoes. This bitch. Madam, I think we should get the fuck out of here. All these niggas talk about is money, this, money, that. I don't really even have enough money to pay this month's rent. You want to go get a sandwich? Let's go get a sandwich and talk about how we going to get this paper up. Okay. And every time I'm in the kitchen, she in the kitchen. I'll go everything, bitch. I'm about to flex on this. What the fuck? Y'all niggas see that shit? Whoa. What the fuck is going on? Whoa. Wait. I got an idea, bro. Hey, check this out. Okay. What the? No. I think you grab it. Grab it, nigga. I'm scared. I'm out. Nigga, I'm not grabbing that shit. Pew. Whoa. The fuck?
Oh my god, nigga, I am so happy. I'm about to go get some bitches. Oh, got a blood clot. Nigga, I'm about to go get some bitches. Oh, what about that?
That is a full-size man.
He's gonna rape us. Hey, my nigga.